Ready to dive into the Solana ecosystem, but not sure how to get your Sol from Binance to your Phantom wallet? Let's bridge that gap in this quick, step-by-step tutorial. First, open your Binance app and navigate to your wallet section, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Once there, tap on Spot to view your available cryptocurrencies. Find Solana, often abbreviated as SOL, in your list of assets and tap on it. On the Solana page, select Withdrawal. This initiates the process of sending Sol out of your Binance account. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet. If you don't have it yet, download it from their official website to avoid scams. In Phantom, locate and tap on your Solana address to copy it to your clipboard. This is your unique identifier for receiving Sol. Be extremely careful and double-check this to ensure it's correct. Return to Binance and paste the copied Phantom wallet address into the address field. Choose the Solana network. Ensure it is the correct one to prevent loss of funds. Then, enter the amount of Sol you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees Binance may charge. They'll usually be displayed here. Double-check everything one last time: the address, the network, and the amount. Once you're absolutely sure, tap Withdraw. Binance may require you to complete security verification steps, such as entering a 2FA code from your authenticator app or confirming via email or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete these steps. Once confirmed, the transaction is initiated. It may take a few minutes for the Solana blockchain to process the transfer. You can check the status of the withdrawal in your Binance withdrawal history. After a few minutes, check your Phantom wallet. Your Sol should appear.